Today we are going to conduct an activity about machine learning. Okay. So how machine learning is working, what is machine learning, and that we are using the machine learning. So this is what we are going to discuss about in this activity. Okay. You can start. So what is machine learning?
So machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables a computer to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Instead of writing rules for every situation, we provide data and the computer identifies the patterns to make prediction or decision. For example, Gmail detects spam emails, Netflix recommendation movies, Google Maps predict traffic, Face unlock on mobile phones, recognizing face. The learning process includes collecting data, training a model, test the model, making predictions. Machine learning is widely used in healthcare, education, banking, agriculture, and e-commerce.
So next one.
Good morning everyone. I will explain some real life applications of machine learning. Machine learning is everywhere in our daily lives. Example 1. Healthcare. Doctors use machine learning to detect diseases such as diabetes and cancers from medical reports. Example 2. Banking. Banking uses it to detect fraudulent transaction and approve loans. Third, e-commerce. Amazon recommends products based on previous purchases. 4. Education. Learning platform recommends course based on student interests. Example 5. Transportation. Self-driving cars identify roads, traffic signals and mistakes. 6. Agriculture. Machine learning predicts crop diseases and improves farming. That's all.
Supervised learning and VC dimension. Good morning everyone. Today we will explain about supervised learning and VC dimension. Supervised learning is a learning method where the model learns using labeled data. Example, if we provide thousands of email marked as spam and not spam, the computer will classify new emails. Examples include student result prediction, house price prediction, email classification. And VC dimension is measures the learning capacity of the machine learning model. It tells us about how complex the model is, how many different patterns in models can learn. A very low VC dimension can be underfit the data. A very high VC dimension may overfit the data, so we need to have a balanced model. Thank you.
Probably approximately correct learning. PAC stands for probably approximately correct. The idea behind back learning is that the model does not need to be perfect. Instead, it should be probably correct, approximately accurate. Back learning uses two ideas. Probability. The model should give correct predictions most of the time. Approximation, small errors are acceptable if the overall performance is good. For example, if a model predicts student results with 95% accuracy, it is considered a good model. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today I will explain regression. Regression is a supervised learning technique used to predict continuous numerical values. Examples include predicting house prices, predicting rainfall, predicting students' marks, and predicting temperature. Regression finds the relationship between input variables and output values. Example, if study hours increases, marks are also likely to increase. This relationship can be represented using a regression line. Advantages: easy to understand, predicts numerical value, widely used in business and research.
Model selection and generalization. Today I will explain model selection and generalization. Model selection, many machine learning models can solve the same problem. For example, to predict student performance, we can use linear regression, decision tree, random forest. Model selection means choosing the model that given the best performance. Generalization. Generalization means the model should perform well on new unseen data. A model should not simply memorize the training data. If we memorize everything, it is called overfitting. If it learn too little, it is called underfitting. The goal is to achieve good generalization.
Dimension and supervised machine learning algorithm. Today I will explain the dimension of supervised machine learning algorithm. A supervised learning algorithm consists of several important components: input data, provide a two train model. Example, the student attendance, assessment scores and exam marks. The features are characteristics of data. The example, age, salary and
Yes,
schedule.
anyone can conclude this final conclusion.
Machine learning is transforming industries by enabling computers to learn from the data. Today we discuss the fundamental including machine learning basics, applications, supervised learning, VC dimension, PAC learning, regression model selection, generalization and dimensions of supervised learning algorithm. These concepts form the foundations for understanding more advanced machine learning techniques.
Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you.